we can know they are all in cities, they are devalayas. What is the devalaya? What is the devalaya purpose? We can see a devalaya is called a sleeped man. We can know the devalaya has Garbhagudi and devalaya has Galugopuram. The Garbhagudi called the man's Siras. Siras means head. Come to Devalaya and fulfill your all dreams. Okay, Om Namo Venkateshaya.